Welcome everybody to the first worksheet of our one-step algebra equations using only addition and subtraction. This is about as basic as we can get, and we're going to keep advancing. So do me a favor, really learn this. If you don't get it through version A, go to version B, go to version C. But if you just make sure you become an expert on something small and you keep building up these wins, all of a sudden you're going to be doing more advanced math at no time, and you're going to feel great about it. I'm going to start going pretty slow, and I'm going to explain a lot. And as I keep going, I'm going to go a little quicker and a little quicker. At the very end, on any of these worksheets, do a couple, watch me do them, then do a few on your own, and then maybe speed up the video a little bit and see how I did it. And if you feel real good about it, do the whole sheet on your own, go to the very end of the video, use it as an answer key, and if you get it all right, cool. If you don't, go back, see what you did wrong, and watch me explain it. Okay, here we go with the very first one. X minus 7. As I explained in the video, go back to maxtutorials.com and watch the video if you haven't. What we want to do is we want to get letters on one side, numbers on the other. So here I've got my letter, and here I've got a number. The one that's screwing it up is the 7 over here. So what I want to do is I want the 7 to go to this side, and then I have letters on one side, numbers on the other. Well, the way to do that is what I call we do the opposite. So right here it's a plus 7, so I want to go minus 7. The reason why I want to do that is because plus 7 and minus 7 is going to give me a 0, so that number is going to go away. But here's the big thing. Whatever you do on the left, you have to do on the right. Think about it as a scale or a teeter-totter. You have to balance it out. I just took 7 away on the left, so I got to take 7 away on the right, and that's illegal. You can do anything to an equation on one side as long as you do it to the other. That goes away by turning in the 0. And now I have 12 minus 7. I could go add a line, change a sign, but bigger minus smaller, we all know that that's 5. Okay? Just to make it easy, I'm going to go left, right, left, right. I know that's not numerical order, but it'll just be a little easier for the screen moving. Okay, now I'm going to talk a little bit quicker. I have a plus 15, so I'm going to go minus 15, minus 15. Boom, they die. My x is all by himself. Add a line, change a sign. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. I did that in my videos in the foundation section about adding and subtracting negative numbers. If it takes you a while to do that, go back and try those problems. Now, number 2, it says minus 5. Well, I'm going to add 5 then, because a negative 5 and plus positive 5 gives me my 0 that I want, so I can go like that. Now my x is all alone, and I just go 9 plus 5, and I get my 14. Let's go to number 12. Minus 6. Let's go plus 6. That'll get me my 0. Boom. Die. X equals. Signs are different. Subtract them. Keep the sign of the bigger number. Now let's go over here to number 3. We're going to go minus 11, minus 11. Uh-oh, we're going to get those dreaded negative signs. Boom. That's okay because you guys are pros at this. If I have a negative 11, we don't do subtraction problems anymore. We do addition. Add a line, change the sign. Signs are the same, add them up, keep the sign, and that's it. Number 13, we're going to go minus 3, boom, boom. I could go add a line, change a sign, but we all know 17 minus 3 is 14. Good. Now notice it doesn't take me a whole lot. I'm going to start going quicker and quicker as I do these. In fact, I can talk right through as I go, and so that's going to be signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Writing it out really doesn't take that much time. And notice how I go up and down, and I have kind of a format to how I do this. By doing that, it eliminates the possibility of a silly mistake. Who knows, maybe I'll write one right here, but I don't think I will, okay? And so I know sometimes you just want to do them in your head, but I see that students get a lot of problems wrong when they do them in their head. So it's better to just take the extra 2 seconds to put it pen to paper and just get it right, okay? Math is something that, in my opinion, is not really great to do online. It's not a great thing to do in your head. You want to do it on pen and paper or pencil paper. All right, let me go back to explaining some things. I kind of quickly went through that. Number 16, I have a minus 4. We're going to add 4 to both sides. Boom, boom, die. X equals 17. Go over here to number 7. It's a plus 9, so I want a minus 9 on both sides. Uh-oh, there's that negative. Just go add a line, change a sign. Both signs are negative, so we're going to add, and we're going to keep the sign. Number 17, we're going to go minus 12 on both sides. Boom, boom. X equals, add a line, change a sign. Signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Going on to number 8, we're going to add 7 to both sides. Boom, boom, boom. X equals 15 plus 7 is 22. We're going to go over here to number 18. We're going to add 11 to both sides now. Boom, boom. X equals, signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number, which is positive. Subtract 4 to both sides, that'll give me the 0 that I want. And now, when I go add a line, change a sign, I see the signs are the same, so I add and I keep the sign. Number 19, I'm just going to subtract 5 from both sides. Boom, die. X equals, add a line, change a sign. That's going to give me a 14 with a negative. Now I'm going to go on to number 10, and I'm going to go plus 12, plus 12. Boom, they die. They actually become 0. They don't really die. There's no harming of numbers in this video. And very lastly, plus 14, boom, die. X equals 20. So now let me shrink this a bit so you have this as an answer key. And so how did you do? Did you do well? Version B and version C will be a little harder, not much. But if you want to go through those to get a little more practice, go for it and then go on. Keep learning. Take a win. Get another win. Stack the wins on. Become a mathematician. You guys are doing great. See you at the next video.